Hey there guys, James Graves here, and well, welcome to where it all began. As you guys know, this is where I filmed every single one of my videos so far. I've started off by vlogging here, made a vlog about building this table here, which then became the center point of every single one of my videos. Filmed every single one of my tutorials right here, sometimes standing. Then I moved on to sitting on top of this bin that has a carpet on top of it. Filmed every single top-down shot on this very table. Filmed the whole video on this lathe right here. Drawing of the rack still on here from my second vlog. I've only been on YouTube for a few months, but this workshop, it means a lot to me. It's where it all started for me. You know, I've made a lot of mistakes in this workshop, and I've made videos that I'm really proud of. Through those experiences over that short space of time, I've just learned so much about this platform, about this craft of making videos, cinematography, about the people that are on this platform. And I'm really grateful for this space in that way, because without it I just don't think I would have been able to start. I don't think I would be able to make the videos that I have and connect with the people that I have and spread the experience and knowledge that I have, and just helping people through this platform and through these videos. So if you guys haven't worked out already, the purpose of this video is, well, I'm moving out. Alright, should do.
I'm not getting in a film.
Why did you have to jump in? You would do that on every time I try and film anything. If you just let me walk for an extra second, I could have masked it off and you wouldn't have been there. It's fine, I'll work it out. Huh? You won't, I'll cut you out. Alright, it will just be like, all this will be like 3 seconds of the video.
So if you put it in, I can then slide it. What is this up?
The camera's going to move the same way I move in the car.
That was bigger than I expected. It's more all over the fucking place.
So, tell us 3 facts about you. Fact number 1. He's doing an engineering PhD. A PhD in engineering.
Actually, yeah, no one knows that yet. No one's mentioned it in my videos.
So, there we go.
It's on Instagram, but no one seems to go on my Instagram, so check that out.
Is.
I really love when people are like, yeah, I'll let you go, and then you pull up and they're like, nope, coming out. Fact number 2.
Yep. Okay.
I was a police officer for about a year.
Yeah, that's true.
For free, for some reason.
Third one. Well,
I did building work for, what, since I was about 14. Every Saturday and every holiday. Which is how I know how to do random stuff. Which I now try and teach you occasionally. Anyone who is in, can't speak. Anyone who is interested, I don't know why I'm talking to the camera because I'm not going to put this in the vlog. So for anyone who is interested, my aunt is from Sri Lanka, but she makes very good curry, and they're making us curry tonight. I don't know why. They're just very generous, very
they're
nice
very
people.
kind people.
This isn't my usual car. Don't judge. I'm going to cover the high and low badge.
And I bet that all we'll be able to hear over the mic is the car.
Yes, because this car is a pile of.
Selling non-essential items during the 17-day fire break lockdown. Toys and electrical goods are among products that have been cordoned off in some stores.
Get some food. That's my transition. Now you're
It's
somewhere
not
else.
Working now.
So here we are, guys, end of an era as it were. This is the last time you're going to see the garage now. So in terms of the future of this channel, the style's going to be changing just a little bit, but the content is still going to be the same and the same quality as it's always been, I can promise you that. If anything, this is a good thing for the channel. We're producing all sorts of different types of content now, tutorials still, but also vlogs and other things, which hopefully just make it that little bit more interesting for you guys. So I'm moving out of this house, moving out of the city, out to the country, and hopefully that's just a stepping stone onto something bigger and better in the future. Now, I suspect by the time you see this video, it's a completely different week entirely, so I do apologise if I've missed a week. I promise I will make it up for you soon. This week has just been completely crazy. Moving out has just been a nightmare. I hate moving out. I've been doing it almost every year at the moment, so hopefully that's going to stop soon. But I promise lots more content coming out soon, new tutorials, new videos of all sorts, vlogs, all the things that you can imagine. So please do stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, comment below what you want to see next time, and just drop this a like because why not? Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.